Hello, how are you? It's Sue Maddox from Sue Maddox Paper Crafts, and today I'm going to take you through a little bit of a walk through the different options we've got for Saleabration this year. So let's have a little look. Okay, so Saleabration runs from start of July through till the end of August, and in Australia with a $90 order or a $180 order, you have a choice of the little freebies that are in here, and I thought you might like a little bit of a closer look at them. So let's have a look at our different options. So if you spend $90 on an order during July or August, you can choose the Hippest Hippos. This is one of our stamp sets that you have to choose from. So we've got 3 little hippos, cute for colouring in, and then some little greetings to go with those. You can also, if you'd like to cut them out and you don't like getting the scissors out, there is a set of dies, the hippo dies that go with it. So we've got some outline dies there that cut out our hippos, and then a bunch of other things as well. There's a little cute boat, there's a little umbrella, some waves, I think that is, sunglasses, a little hat, lots of cute little bits and pieces there. So that's another option that's free with a $90 purchase. If you would like to team those up, $180 you can get both of those for free. All right, let's have a look at a card made with one of those. So I got out my Stampin' blends and it had a little bit of a colour. Let's have a little look here. So I've used, I think it was grey granite, the light and dark, and a little bit of crumb cake in there, and I think one of the other greys, smoky slate, I think it was, I also used. And then a little bit of pool party for the hippo's skirt there, and the little flower. And then I've grabbed out a paper I'm going to show you in just a second to put a couple of little pieces of pattern paper behind the other windows. I love these windows. This is from the Picture This dies, and it's a great set. It's cute. If you've got any of these little cute animal sets, yeah, it's perfect for those. I just stamp them all on one sheet of cardstock and then just snip them out and position them behind the circles there. So that's the hippos, so that's one of our choices. Now, while we're looking at that, the paper, so this is the Rings of Love pattern paper, and this is also free with a $90 order, so it's another one of your choices there. So there's some cute little options in this one. We've got the birds, aren't they gorgeous? It's a 12 by 12 paper. I've got it cut down here just to make it a bit easier to show you. I love this. This looks beautiful. It looks like that technique with the, I don't know, bleach or something, I think there. But they've done all the work. It's just on the paper, so it's a nice background piece. Cute little mushrooms. I've used a few of these in that hippo card, so I've used the little berries and the mushrooms there from this sheet here. And on the back of that one we've got the tree rings. There is, in the July to December mini, there's a die set that will cut some of these out too and emboss them. I love these trees, aren't they gorgeous? I thought they'll make a nice background for something. And on the back, some beautiful blooms there. Lovely red. These are nice. I reckon we could get in with the scissors and cut some of these out for a feature on a card. So little houses. And on the back, this one's goes nice with this one in this sort of colouring, isn't it? Beautiful flower there. So lots of different options with this one. Little, I think is it maple leaves or acorns or something like that. And on the back, another pattern with some leaves. And I really like this one. Beautiful colours in that one. So some nice flowers and things. And on the back of that one, we've got a nice crosshatch grid there. So that's Rings of Love pattern paper. That's another one of your choices during July and August. Let's have a look at what is next. Another one that you can choose free with a $90 order is this pack of Pool Party and Soft Seafoam cards and envelopes. So it's a pack of 20 cards and 20 envelopes. And we've got the soft seafoam. Let me just hold that up a little bit so you can see the pattern. I've got shadowing out here in the dining room, but anyway, let's see if we can get... So it's got a nice little leafy pattern in the background there. And the Pool Party, a little bit hard to see probably there, but it's got a nice little, just subtle design there. So I can't wait to have a little go decorating up with these. I think this actually goes, some of the colouring in this goes nicely with this paper. Where is that? Where were those birds? Or this one, I thought that actually worked quite nicely together, some of the patterns in this. So we might have a play with those. So they're like a little sort of smaller size card. Let's compare it. This is our A5 type size card here. So a little bit wider and a little bit shorter there. Okay, and it comes with the coordinating envelope, which has a beautiful little white leafy pattern along there, and then inside the little bluey pool party feature as well. So always nice to have a nice little matching envelope, isn't it? Okay, so that's a set of 20 cards and envelopes there, 10 each of the 2 different colours. What else have we got? Now, there's a couple that I don't have here to show you. We've got the Tree Lots dies, which you can choose free with a $180 order. That one has caravans and trees and things. Looks very lovely. That's next on my list to get, I think. And we've got the Stylish Sketches, which is a stamp set. It's got a branch, a fox and some ducks, and it's in a sort of sketch type style. So nice for the people out there that like colouring. Amazing Phrasing stamp set. This one is another one of our options, free with a $180 order over Saleabration. And we've got our woohoos and amazing and all of those things, and then our little corresponding phrase. So you can mix and match those to make a card with a message that you're wanting. Let's have a look in here. That is a photopolymer one, so it makes it nice and easy to position all of those. A little bit of a script font there. Let me hold that up so you can have a little look through the different phrasing there. Always like a good greeting set. Okay, what else did we have in there? Now, I've saved my favourite for last. This is absolutely beautiful. So free with a $180 order. It's called Wonderful World, and you get a pack of this 12 by 12 paper, which is just beautiful, and this lovely stamp set. So this is a red rubber stamp set, and you've got these different flowers that are also featured in the paper. Haven't had a play with the stamp set yet, but I'll have some things to show you with that soon. But look at this paper. The paper's actually nice. I think it's one of those ones that's just nicer in real life than it looks in the catalogue. So a beautiful vintagey sort of colouring to it. I love these purples and lovely, lovely, lovely. Turn over, we've got the green on the back there. Now, this one's gorgeous. We've got 2, so you get 2 sheets of each of these. So I've been sitting with the scissors on my other sheet of this and cutting them out. I'll show you a card in just a second that I've made with those. So they're great for fussy cutting, if you like that sort of a thing. And then we've got on the back, it's a nice design. I love this page. Isn't this gorgeous? It's just such lovely soft colours. I love the shades here, and then I don't know if that colour's coming through, but that's a yellowy colour there. This is another one I really like. Look at that. This is just such pretty paper. I have to think very carefully what I'm going to do with these. And then this one on the back. This looks just like some old-fashioned wallpaper, doesn't it, I think, with the nice little floral blooms there. And it's the same flowers that are in our stamp set, so you can make something matching. Look at this one. Can you see that one up close there? All these tiny little flowers, just gorgeous. And lucky last, this one. These ones punch out nicely with a punch, or with the little circle dies go well as well if you want to make a little feature piece to pop on something. It looks beautiful. And then on the background, the pinks there. So that is just beautiful. I'll show you, I've been busy cutting out. Where are we? So depending on how much you like cutting out, you can cut them, let's get that out of the way so you can see. You can cut them around like this. So this is the starter level cutting out, where we just go roughly around the edge, or you can get right in there with the scissors and cut them out in a more detailed way. So we've got these. Let's come up a little bit closer there. So I just sat down while I was watching telly one day and cut the whole sheet out. And I've been making things with them. Let me show you a couple of the cards. So we've got this one here. Isn't that such a gorgeous flower? So he's sitting up, I don't know if you can see, on dimensionals. And then we've got a little brick embossed piece behind it, and I've cut those out with, I forget the name of them now. I want to say waggly rectangles, but that's not it. It's some other, I'll go look that up, pop it in the description. And then a few of our different pattern papers in the background there with some matching cardstock. So that's a gorgeous one. And another one over here. Same sort of idea, same design, just different colours and a different flower. This was a nice easy one to cut out too. I've left a tiny little bit of a white border around there. Okay, I've got a tutorial for these ones coming up in my next newsletter. If you're a newsletter subscriber, keep an eye out for that in the next few days. If you're not, head along to my blog and you can fill out your details so you get that in your inbox. So that is our choices this year for Saleabration over July and August. So if you are ordering either $90 or $180, you've got lots of choices there. If you've got a $180 order, you can either choose two of the $90 freebie options, or you can choose one of the sort of level 2 180 freebie options. I'll do a little run through on a video of how to do that if you're ordering online. If you prefer, you can phone or email your order through and I'll help you out with that. So good time to stock up on bits and pieces that you're after during July and August when you get a little bonus something. And the only tricky bit is figuring out what you would like to pick. Don't forget as well, we've got our planner that you get free if you join during July and August. So I've got another video on that one, which gives you a little bit of a closer look at all the lovely little bits and pieces in that. So hopefully that gets you all up to speed on Saleabration in running from the start of July, so tomorrow, through till the end of August, and get in touch if I can help you out with anything there. Okay, thank you. I've been Sue Maddox from Sue Maddox Paper Crafts. There's a subscribe button there if you'd like to stay up to date on all the latest news and get some little inspiration in your YouTube channel. Okay, thanks very much, guys. Take care. Bye.